I had a low pressure light on my tire. So when I got back from the gym, I took a look at it, had to pull the wheel, and this is what I found. I found the nail in the tire. That son of a gun. Oh well. Let me see if I can fix this. Alright, I got it halfway out. Alright, let's see how this works out. Thing was kicking my butt. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This screw is a pain in the nail. Oh my goodness. Oh, how the hell did this happen? God, look how long this son of a gun is. That was a setup. Somebody set me up. Oh, what the hell is on the other side of this? This bad boy kicking my butt. All right, there you go. This thing is kicking my butt. I'm getting it. There you go. All right, there we go, making progress. This bad boy kicked my butt, but I got it in there. Pumping the tire back up now. And let's see, like, zero. So whooping my ass. Here we go. FYI, this is the little puck I bought, so I can put in little holes so you can jack it up. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit under there with the jack because the car is so low. So I had to finagle it, get it the best I can to be in that spot where the puck would be. Lift up the car just enough to get the wheel off the ground. See how it works out. I tried to use my Milwaukee impact wrench. Didn't work out. It snapped right in half. Didn't work. But luckily, I had one of these bad boys. This is a 1/2-inch impact gun, electric. So I had to run a extension cord from the house. All right, here we go. I'm pumping up the tire now. Put it back on. See how we work out. All right. Trim back the little piece of tire repair goop stuff. Check for leaks. No leaks there at least. Hopefully there's no more leaks anywhere else. And I'm about to put the tire back on. See how this works out. This is the nail that I pulled out. This makes no damn sense. You see how far it was up in there? It makes no sense. It was all the way in there. Everything looking good. I'm just happy that it wasn't a cracked rim, because I was afraid one of those potholes got it and broke the rim, but it was just a nail. So it took me about 45 minutes, you know, with a little bit of help from tools to change it. Fighting with the hardest part was pulling out that nail, and you know, and since the nail was so long and skinny, the reamer was hard to get in. So besides that, it was all right. Not too bad. This right here is a must-have. This is like my little flat fix kit. I got all the tools in there. I got the screwdrivers. I got the vice grips. I got the glue. I got the plug, the reamer. Everything in there.